This is Becky from Createitstudios Studio Architects. This video is about the updates to Building Regulations Part R. Two new approved documents have been published by the Department for Leveling Up, Housing and Communities. These are as follows. Approved Document R, Volume 1, Physical Infrastructure and Network Connection for New Dwellings. Approved Document R, Volume 2, Physical Infrastructure for High-Speed Electronic Communications Networks. It is necessary to have the following installed in newly constructed dwellings as part of the new requirements. Install a gigabit-ready physical infrastructure necessary for gigabit-capable connections. For example, ductwork, chambers, cabling and network termination points at each dwelling. If this is not possible, then the developer is expected to provide the infrastructure as close as is reasonably practicable. Install a functioning gigabit-capable connection. For example, fiber optic cable or other technological means of facilitating such a connection. This is capped at £2,000 per dwelling. If the developer is unable to secure a gigabit-capable connection within the cost cap, the next fastest technology connection can be installed. Approved Document R, Volume 2 provides guidance on how to build in accordance with the high-speed ready provisions as found in Schedule 1. When new buildings are erected or when existing buildings are subject to major renovation works. Transitional arrangements. The new approved documents come into force on the 26th of December 2022. The changes will not apply if an initial notice is submitted before this date, provided the work is started on site within 12 months. When you apply for multiple buildings at a site, the first occasion of building work can serve as a transitional provision that applies to all of them. Get in touch for more information.